Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Jellycat Marshmallow plush. First, gather your materials. You'll need a soft, plush fabric, perhaps 1/4 yard for the main body. Don't forget your fluffy polyester fiber fill for stuffing, and some embroidery floss for those adorable facial features. Make sure you have your sewing machine ready with matching thread, sharp scissors, and a hand-sewing needle for the finishing touches. Now let's get cutting and sewing. Take your plush fabric and cut 2 identical square pieces, each measuring about 8 inches by 8 inches. These will form the main body of your marshmallow. Place these 2 squares right sides together, carefully aligning all edges. Pin along 3 of the 4 sides, leaving one side completely open for turning and stuffing later. Then, sew these pinned edges using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Next, we'll prepare for stuffing. Carefully clip the corners of your sewn fabric, being careful not to cut through your stitches. This helps reduce bulk and creates crisp corners when you turn it right side out. Now, turn your fabric right side out, gently pushing out all the corners to get that perfect square shape. Finally, firmly stuff your marshmallow plush with polyester fiber fill until it feels wonderfully squishy and full. To finish your marshmallow, hand sew the open seam closed using a ladder stitch. This creates a nearly invisible closure, keeping your plush looking neat and tidy. Now for the fun part, adding personality. Use your embroidery floss to stitch 2 small, adorable eyes and a sweet, gentle smile onto the front of your marshmallow. Your new cuddly friend is almost complete. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.